My weather radio is going.
Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Southern Ontario at 6:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Friday, January 10, 2020. A freezing rain warning is issued for Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region, Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region, and Caledon. Rain warning is continued for Dufferin, Innisfil. A freezing rain warning is continued for Dufferin, Innisfil. Rain warning is...
Well, back to watching Star Trek.
Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
What the hell do we have now? Oh, okay. Okay, well, don't know what the hell was that.
Saturday, January 11, 2020. Rain is continued for Dufferin, Innisfil. A freezing
Rain warnings.
warning is continued for Dufferin, Innisfil. Rain warning is continued for City of Hamilton and Burlington, Oakville. Rain warning is continued for Caledon. Rain warning is continued for City of Toronto, Pickering, Oshawa, Southern Durham Region, Vaughan, Richmond Hill, Markham, Mississauga, Brampton, and Halton Hills, Milton. Rain warning is continued for Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region, and Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region. A freezing rain warning is continued for Uxbridge.
Odd.
Within 10 kilometers of the Pickering Nuclear Generating Station, an incident was reported at the Pickering Nuclear Generating Station. There has been no abnormal release of radioactivity from the station, and emergency staff are responding to the situation. People near the Pickering Nuclear Generating Station do not need to take any protective actions at this time. Remain tuned to local media for further information and instructions.
This has been a message from the Canadian Public Alerting System. Now, we return to regularly scheduled programming.
What the f...
The mandatory relaxation for 7 days at the Majestic.
It's only a few days old, but our European suits now has Fierstein.
An update that the women's hockey
Ooh. I guess we've got that emergency alert about maybe Chernobyl 2.0. Whoa! What is that white stuff on the ground? It must be all that nuclear ash. I'm just looking at the sky. Maybe, doesn't take a genius to tell what a mushroom cloud is. Keep checking the news. Still looking for that mushroom cloud. Big yikes. Big yikes. Big yikes. You woke me up for this shit. To tell me that this is a mistake. Okay, so we got an emergency. We have an emergency alert update. I just don't know.
And her answer was she was going to sort it, inventory it, and recycle. additional support going into outreach services to achieve that.
I just don't know if we have a... Oh, CTV knew what happened. There we go. There we go. Boy. Oi, oi, oi.
Alert ready messaging error. For province of Ontario, there is no active nuclear situation taking place at the Pickering Nuclear Generating Station. The previous alert was issued in error. There is no danger to the public or environment. No further action is required. There is no active nuclear situation taking place at the Pickering Nuclear Generating Station. The previous alert was issued in error. There is no danger to the public or environment. No further action is required. At 9:11 a.m., January 12, 2020, effective until 9.
You're watching CTV News.
Being an entrepreneur can be
Looks like they didn't have the emergency alert in there.